Good day, everyone. Today I will discuss about Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 3, October-November 2023. And in this video, I only discuss about the spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet to calculate the income and expenditure of the sanctuary for 1 year. All currency values must be displayed in Tawara dollar to two decimal place. It means you need to remember the final product of your work. Before you print your work, you need to be sure everything that deals with money should have dollar sign and should have two decimal place. Open and examine the file m23tgs.csv in your spreadsheet software. I will remind you again, if the look does not look like this, then you need to go to the control panel to change the setting of your computer. But before that, you need to close first the Excel, go to the control panel, change the setting, and then reopen again the same file. Make sure that it looks like this. Save this as a spreadsheet with the file name TGS underscore center number underscore candidate number, for example, like that. And save it as a Excel workbook. Place in the header, left align your name, center number, candidate number, and right align the automated file name with its file path. I will go to here for the header and footer page layout. And then after that, on the left side of the header, I will put my name, center ID, and also the candidate number. And then for the right align, I will use the, the file name with the path. So I will click on this one. If I click on this, it means I only have the file name. If it's this, then I will have the path and also the file name. No. Okay. So after that, I will go back to the normal view like this and then save. Insert two new columns to the left of column A. Insert, insert, yeah. Insert in column A the text as shown. Format the spreadsheet to look like this. So this one would be month, previous month, month, previous. And then to go to the new line, but still in the same column, you press Alt Enter. February, March, April, May. When you type the month name, you need to be sure that you don't misspell the word at all, like this one. And you need to format the spreadsheet to look like this. So if you look on the month, this one is right align and there is like a small space on the right, on the left. So this one is right align like this. Too big. Like that is enough, I think. And then after that, the B, the column width looks like that. I'll make it like this. And then after that, the income from the C1 until G1 will be merged into one cell. And then after that, this one, the width of the edge become very small. And then after that, the expenditure from the I1 until L1 will be merged. And again, for the M, you will make it small. Um, and then for the profit and loss, if you want to make it into two lines like this, you can do like this. Oh, wait. Uh, you double click, and then, wait, I want to see where it is. Oh, okay. Put the cursor before the slash and then press Alt Enter. Done. Balance is like that. Okay, profit loss. Okay, staff it. This one I think it should be at the center. This one should be at the center. Center. This one also center. Yeah, I do it one by one manually. Yeah, it's fine. And then all the numbers. Okay, all of this, all the values is right line. I think that one is okay. And then interest fee. I need to make it bigger for the width to make sure the text is fully visible. Donation also, I will make it bigger a little bit. I think this one is okay, right? Profit and loss, balance. Yes, this one is okay. Now we will go down the cell C1, G1, L, I1, L1, N1, N2. N1, N2. Wait. N1, N2. Which one? Oh, N1, N2. Okay. N1, N2 being merged. So this one being merged. Yeah. Okay. To make the text in the middle of the cell, you click on this. Right? And then after that, have been merged, center aligned with 16-point white text and solid background. Wrap all text as shown. Okay. What's 16 point? This one, press control, this one, press control, this one, right? So if you want to select separate cell, press control on the keyboard. And then we will make it, this become 16. And then after that, the font color become white. And then after that, for the background color, we make it black. There you are, right? Looks nice. So I think we're done with this. Be careful when you need to format the table because why? Because the point is quite high. 9. Without thinking, you will get 9 points. Number 11. Place in cell G4 a function to calculate the total income for month January. So G4 will be this one. I will find the total of the income. So I will total this, the entrance fees, shop feeding, and donations. To total numbers, you use the function called sum. Formula will be started with the equal sign, and then the function for finding the total is sum, opening bracket, and highlight the cell that you want to total. Don't ever do something like this one. For the cell address, you type it manually. Don't, because sometimes you mistype the cell address. So instead of typing the cell address, you just select the cell that you want to find the total and then enter. We go to question number 12. Place in cell L4 a function to calculate again the total expenditure for the month of January. This one is the L4, so it means I will total the staff, feed, and utilities under the month January. So we will use the same function sum. Again, formula started with the equal sign and then follow with the function name, opening bracket, and I highlight the cell that you want to total. Don't type the cell address manually. Enter. Number 13, place in cell N4 a formula to calculate the profit for the month of January. The profit is the total income minus the total expenditure for this month. So the total of the income will be here. The total of expenditure will be here. So this one will be the profit and loss. That one will be would come from the difference between the the income and the expenditure. So we will do it. For that one, we can use the math operator equal sign formula and then this one minus with this one, right? So minus, it means the expenditure is bigger than the income. Number 14, place in cell O4 a formula to calculate the balance at the end of January. This is the balance from the month before, added, right? Before, added to this month profit and loss. O4. Where's the O4? O4 will be this one. Look, on the name box is O4, right? So the balance added with the month profit or loss, right? So equal this one add by this. Done. Number 15, replicate the formula entered in step 11, 14 for each month. 11 until 14. Okay. Copy this one. 11. Drag. 12. This one. 13. This one. 14. So you click on on the cell that has the formula, drag the cursor to the, what we call that one, right bottom of the cell, and then after that drag it. You need to drag it until you get the plus sign. Okay, so it will be like this. Oh, don't forget to save. Does it make sense? This one minus, minus, and then being added with the profit. This one meaning profit because the income is bigger than the expenditure. So it will be added, and this one, yeah, makes sense. Number 16, apply appropriate formatting to all numeric data. Remember what? At the beginning, it says that all the currency, everything that deals with money, should have the dollar sign with two decimal place. So we know already that this one is money, right? This one, control, right? You want to select another part of cell. So control, keep pressing the control, select this. And then after that, control again, select this one and also this one. Okay, all the cell that I highlight right now are money. So I need to give a dollar sign and I need to have two decimal for all of them. So right click, format cell, and then I will use currency or accounting. I will love to use the accounting, but I just use currency, it's fine. And then I will make the symbol become dollar. Any dollar is fine as long it give me dollar sign. And then decimal place, I will make it 2. So, okay, something like this one. Make sure everything fully visible. If it's thick like this one, like the width is enough. The width of the cell is very enough to the value. If you want to make it bigger a little bit, it's fine like that one, this one, like this one, it's okay if you want to do that. Change it like that. That one is stupid. Done. Okay, you go to the next one. Apply conditional formatting to all cell in the range N4 till N15, so that if the cell contains a negative number, it is shown as white text on the red background. Okay. N4 until N15, correct? And then under the Home tab, you will find conditional formatting. So you can click on that one. And then for me, I will set new rule. If it's minus, right? If it's negative number. Okay. So based on the value, I will go to here. Format only cells that contain the cell value is not between, but if it's less. Negative meaning what? Less than 0, right? 0 less than 0? No. But negative 1 is less than 0. And if the value is less than 0, meaning it will be negative number, then you will format it. The color will be white. Where is the color here? White, right? White. And then after that, for the fill, I will make it red. Correct? White and red, right? So, okay. And okay. Done. There you are. Yeah, that's how the conditional formatting works. Number 18, save your file, your spreadsheet file, save. And oh, I forget to show this one. Number 17, place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the conditional formatting rules, cell, range, and format. Okay, I will highlight again here. I will go to the conditional formatting and then I will go to the manage rule. So there you are. Yeah. I can edit the rule to see the rule itself. Um, can I do? Oh no, I can do like this one. Okay, it's fine. It should show the cell address. So I will open the Word. Let's say this one is my evidence document. Yeah, this one is for step what? Step 17. Yeah, step 17 evidence. I will write it like that. And then after that, for this one, I will screenshot this to show the address, the cell address, right? Where's my work? It will be this. And then after that, for the rule itself, I will go to the edit rule and I will do another screenshot. Select this one. Why there is, green screen again, like this. Okay? I show the conditional formatting rules, cell range, and also the formatting. If you want to make it complete, it's fine. You can go to the format here. But there will be like four things, right? I don't think that that one is necessary because you will see the format here. The background is red and the font color is white. I think that one is enough. So, and then close. We go to the next one. Save your spreadsheet, print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure. So to show the formula, you go to the, where is formulas? And then you go to the show formula. And then for me, I will select all the, ah, wait, I will select all the columns that are used for this document. And then I will double click on one of the border. Why I do that? Because I need to be sure that all the formula are fully visible. Yeah. And then after that, I will like highlight everything that I want to print. And if you want to do it, you can like go to the page layout and then set the print area like this one, set the print area, and then you go to the file and then like print like that one is not fully visible. So you can change the orientation, become landscape like this one, just to make sure that everything is fully visible. Still not fully visible, because if you look here, this one consists of two pages. So the one that you can do, you can go to the scaling and you can say fit the sheet on one page like that one. And to make the size of the font bigger, you can go like this one. You go to the page setup, and then after that, you can change the margin. For the left, you just make it smaller. Like for example, you make it 0.5, like this one. 0.5, 0.3, so that one become bigger, like that. I don't know, is there any other instruction about it? Make sure the row column heading are displayed. Row column headings are displayed. It means I want to see the column name and also the row name. So for that one, you go to the page setup. Again, you go to the page setup and I don't know, maybe on the sheet. Yes, on the sheet tab, you can click on the row and column headings like this. And then after that, the page orientation is landscape and the content of all cells are fully visible and can be easily read. This one, the last one, really makes sense. Why? Because the checker, the person who will give you the score, will give a score based on the printout. So you really need to be sure that all the formula are fully visible and clear for them to read it. Because if they cannot read it, if like for example the font size is too small, how can they check your work, right? So after you're done with this one, you can um, print it. And then we go to the next one. I think we're almost done. Print your spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure that the printout fits on a single landscape page, the row and column headings. So if it says like this one and this one is not available on the question number 18 or the previous one, actually for number 18, you are allowed to print the formula in a separated page, or you can print it in two pages, right? But if you can make it into one, that one is better. Now, we go back to the number 19, fits on a single landscape page. It means like the width of the whole data should be fit on a single landscape page. The row column heading are not displayed and the content should be fully visible and can be easily read. We go to the Excel, we go to the formulas, hide the formula like that one. We okay, go like this one, highlight this one, double click, highlight this one, the IGKL, double click, and then highlight this one, double click. Fully visible, right? And then, yeah, if you want to extend a little bit like this one is okay. Yeah, then I will highlight this. No, I will highlight this. If you want to set print area, please do so. And then after that, you print. And then remember, it should fit on a single page, single landscape page, right? So it will be like this one. I can make it no scaling first. Oh, no scaling. And then after that, no heading for the column and the row. So this one is good. Do I need to give a border? No need. Really? Do I need to give a border? I don't think so. Okay. Anyway, the printout fits on a single landscape page. The row column heading are not displayed. The content of all cells are fully visible and can be easily read. I think I fulfill all of them. There is no scaling if I go to the page setup, adjust to 100% normal size. So I think this one is fine and it's ready to be printed. Yeah, again, look on the final result of your document, all the currency have dollar and two decimal place, right? All of them. And then after that, on the header, on the left hand side, have your details. And then on the right side, you have the path and the file name. So you print. Okay? Done. The October donation were entered incorrectly. Donation were $42.10. October donation. Oh, that one is too big here. Dot. Nah, correct this data in the spreadsheet and print the spreadsheet showing the values. The printer fits on a single page landscape. It's the same like the previous one. So the one that you can do, you just file and then print, right? It's the same. It means this print out is used for what? For checking whether you correct the data correctly or not. And then you print the evidence document. Thank you and bye.